The Minoan civilization was once a kingdom that arose on the island of Crete that flourished from 2700 to 1450 BC. It was a very well-organized civilization that excelled in exporting its goods and overseas trade. However, it suddenly disappeared. This mystery remained a puzzle for many archaeologists for a long time. Some researchers and scientists have thus induced a couple of hypotheses regarding its demise. Some researchers have reasons to believe a volcanic eruption was the cause of the civilization's fall. Around 1430 BC, a massive volcanic eruption took place. Many believe this was what wiped out the Minoan civilization, as it must have severely affected the Minoan culture on Crete. This hypothesis seems very possible, as a volcanic eruption of this size could have easily destroyed anything around it. However, scientists have found little amount of volcanic ash had actually fallen on Crete because the wind just happened to be blowing away from it. Not only was there little volcanic ash found on Crete, no bodies or remain of bodies have been found. This made researchers and scientists believe that Minoan civilization could not have been wiped out by a volcano. Other researchers have thus reasoned the fall of the Minoans with a tsunami. Studies have indicated that a giant tsunami generated by the volcano eruption devastated the coastal areas of Crete and destroyed many Minoan settlements. The tsunami would have instantly destroyed anything in its path. It would explain why no traces of human remains were found. This hypothesis would make complete sense except for the fact that not much evidence has been found to claim that a tsunami did in fact wipe out the Minoans. The most widely accepted hypothesis as to why the Minoans were wiped out was due to the invasion of enemy forces. This enemy would have been the Mycenaeans who occupied the island of Crete after the 15th century. Based on the different hypotheses, we believe that each theory might have helped play a role in the demise of the Minoan civilization. The volcano eruption and tsunami might have destroyed much of the settlement and caused a change in climate and agriculture which resulted in many leaving. The newly weakened and disorganized Minoan civilization would have thus been prone to enemies taking over it. The final blow to this civilization would have been the invasion from the Mycenaeans who eventually settled and occupied the area.